Starting route to Highlands, North Carolina. Welcome to North Carolina.
Well, we have finally arrived. We are having a little adventure day. We drove an hour to Highlands, North Carolina, and we're currently parked in a random parking lot. Finally got service, trying to figure out where we're gonna eat. We're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna walk around. It's just a little town. They just have a few little shops, cute places, and then we're going to a waterfall, and then at sunset we're going to a place called Sunset Rock. So that's very fitting, and that is the plan. Stan.
We're gonna walk under that? Uh-huh. Oh my goodness! We're almost there! I almost just slipped! I'm getting slipped on! Oh! Making out over there, so we can't leave. Goodbye, waterfall. Goodbye.
We made it back to the car, and I'm tired. Whew. But we're coming up on this little waterfall you can drive under. We passed on the way, but we don't know if it's one way or not, so we're gonna see. Really nice.
Here's the falls.
Oh, yeah. Here it is.
Oh, and they're in the sunlight now too.
Oh, here it is. Road closed. Can't even, that's literally it.
Unsafe for travel.
LOL. Anyways, gosh, the sun. Yeah, so we're gonna go see what little shops there are and just kind of walk around.
Oh, it's late.
Oh, look at that. Well, basically everything was closed except for a toy store which had a bookstore in it, and then a little spices and herb shop and tea and olive oil and candles, little things, and we got some items. So I'll do a haul. So first we got a tiny whisk. Shout out Binging with Babish. We stan, who is the Tiny Whisk King. Then Alex got some apple cinnamon crisp sugar. We love that. And then we picked up some black truffle garlic seasoning. I thought this would be delicious. The woman said as we were checking out, she's like, oh, that's really good on popcorn. And now I'm mad that I never thought about that while I was in there, because I probably would have seen like a billion more that I would have wanted due to that fact of that I could put them on popcorn. That sounds absolutely delicious. That is it for our mini haul. We had some great purchases today, and we are going to depart to Sunset Rock. And the sunset's in about an hour. Should be about a 30-minute hike up. So we're on track for excellence. Why are you making fun of me?
We are on track for excellence.
I don't like him.
We're making our way up the trail. We're almost there.
Are you still there? To delete this message, press. What are you talking about?